Hello everyone. This video what we are going to look while we are speaking or else while you're on for your speaker, it's making for echo noise. Okay, so for the echo, how we are going to fix, that is what we are going to look in this video. Let me see. Right now I am going to watch for one video. Okay, see here. Invested for UAE stock market, okay, for either ADX or TFM. As you are looking for dividend stock, okay, so most of the people did not aware about. So right now it's rising for the echo for the speaker. Okay, while I'm speaking itself also for the mic also it's showing for the echo. So for this echo noise, how we can overcome, that is what we are going to look in this video. Let's see. For that, what you need to do, just you can go to control panel and hardware and sound. You can click that one. Then you can click for sound. And go to recording. And click this one, microphone. For the properties you can go. Okay, once you are clicking for the respective microphone, then you have to go for properties. Then under the properties you can go to levels, you can check it, everything will be from under that. Some boost is available, that should be in 0, you have to make it. Okay, and from this one, and next you can go for listen. Right, from that listen you can check it over there. Listen to this device will be unticked. Okay, then click as OK. Then you can go for microphone array, you can click this one, go to properties. Same way you can check it for levels over here, it should be enable and this should be in 0. And from here you can click for listen. See here, listen to this device, that one should be disable. Okay, once you disable this one, you can click as apply, click as OK. Okay, and click as OK over here and close this one. Again you can play this video. Now you can check it, echo is available or not. How you are getting information, right? How companies are announcing for dividend, okay, on time. How you know the information about the dividend stock. Okay, so right now it's not available any echo. Okay, so for the speaker as well as for the mic. So I think this video will be helpful for you. This is a way you can disable for a respective icon. Okay, as well as suppose if you are not using respective mic, better you can disable it. Okay, because simultaneously I will use it this as well as that one, so that's the reason I did not disable. But this option, if you are untick, in a sense, this kind of echo will not be arise. Okay, I think this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful, you can share to your friends and keep on watch for the updates of tech as well as stock market and everything else. As you are a new user, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.